Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Today it's another versus. This one is tennis versus golf. Now, if you don't like either sport, then you probably just, flip into another video. And that's fine. But I played both sports for quite a long time. In my youth, it was tennis. I played tennis all the time. Didn't play golf. And what I liked about tennis is it's great cardio. It's a very skillful sport. You have to have power. You have to have finesse. You have to have hand-eye coordination. And you can get a heck of a workout. But as I got older, it's tougher on the knees, tougher on the shoulders. Like all sports, anything you do over a long period of time, it will wear your body out. But I did like tennis a lot. And this includes watching. I used to watch tennis all the time, US Open, Wimbledon. Not so much. But golf, that's another thing. I picked up golf probably in my mid-30s. And while it's not a cardiovascular as tennis, if you do walk, and I always walk, very seldom take a cart, you will get a lot of steps, just like this walk. Some people call it a good walk spoiled, but that just depends on how you play. But that said, you do get exercise. It is another great sport that combines power with speed and accuracy and hand-eye coordination. You have to, in golf, have the muscle coordination to smack that ball as hard as you can at great distances, while also being able to finesse it when you chip and putt around the greens. And if you ever watch golf, and I do like to watch golf on TV, because it's relaxing to me, and I like to pick up tips because I do play. If you watch it, you see it's amazing that these guys can hit it. They can hit the ball 300 and plus yards with these powerful swings with exit velocities of over 100 miles an hour, and then be able to just chip it or just putt it delicately, have the ball stop, spin with equal touch and skill. Both sports are amazing. Both, believe it or not, have great athletes. Of course, there's no doubt that tennis players are great athletes because of all the movement that they do, but golfers are also great athletes. They have to have flexibility. They have to, like I said, have power and finesse. So tennis versus golf, you guys tell me. I like both, but I prefer golf. I like playing it, I like watching it, and I like the fact that golf is a microcosm for life. You're going to have your ups and downs. You're going to hit it as best you can. You're going to have your good days, your bad days. And in the same round, you're going to have moments of despair and joyous moments of ecstasy. And to me, that's life. And no matter what way the ball bounces in golf, tennis, or life, you got to deal with it. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, my YouTube channel by the same name. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
My YouTube channel, YouTube.